Hello, welcome to my channel for the love of decor and more. My name is Robin, and on this channel you will find lots of decorating and DIY ideas. Speaking of decorating, on this video I will be giving my family room a new look, just changing out the colors to a cream, beige, and taupe color. I started off by removing everything I will not be using today in this space, and also I did add some light filtering shears to my curtains, which I'll be giving the backstory on that a little further in the video. So the first thing I've done is pulled out that rug that I had in here prior, which had more of the grays and blues, kind of the colors that are in my couch, and I'm replacing it with another one of my rugs, this cream chevron indented patterned area rug I picked up at Home Depot. And I have come to the conclusion that I need to start buying bigger rugs. This is a 5x7, and I know that I need to be placing bigger rugs in this space to give me the look that I need. You do want your rugs to meet the end of the couch, and as you can see here, there is a lot of extra space there. So I'm just going to work with what I have, but in the future I will be investing in some bigger rugs. And this is something new to the space. It is a coffee table that I picked up, and I absolutely love it. I love the design of the table, the gold rings that are on the side and underneath that top tier glass. And I love that it is two-tiered. So I can place, my decorative pieces on the bottom and the top, as well as some coffee table books or whatever I desire. I have that space to kind of separate, the look or the items that I place on the coffee table. So that was a key thing that I was looking for when I was purchasing a coffee table, an end table for this space. So I did buy a coffee table and one end table, and I will be picking up another one. I wasn't sure if it was going to be enough space to have two end tables, but I think it will work. So I will be alternating out my ottoman that goes to my couch with these tables as I change out the look. So right now I am just styling the space using this gold and clear lamp that I had in my bedroom prior, because I am going for that cream beige kind of look with gold accents. So this worked perfectly in the space. So I'm just going to finish cleaning off the glass and continue on in the video, and I'll be back soon. Here are some decorative balls that I picked up over at Home Goods that I will be placing in this dough bowl that I picked up over at Ross a while back. I love that this is a variety pack that comes in the different colors and patterns and also different shapes. I did show these in my prior haul video, and I absolutely love these. They are so cute, and the textures are really nice, and I love again that they have different colors and patterns for me to choose from. So I am just styling this dough bowl with the colors that will go with the color scheme that I'm using today. There are some kind of wicker color ones in here, but I won't be using those because I'm not quite going for that color. I like the creams and the blues that bring out the color in the couch. So those are the ones that I will be using, and I'll also be using those in other areas in this space. This is a vase that I picked up over at Home Goods, and this was also in my prior haul. I am going to place these really pretty white cherry blossoms in it. This vase is so super heavy, but I did feel like it was pretty sturdy placing it on top of the fireplace ledge. And I really love these cherry blossoms. They are really full, and I got 2 bunches of them. The mouth of this vase is not really wide, so I wish that it was a bit wider so that I could give this vase a more fuller look, but overall I think it does look good. I'm just fluffing the stems a little bit, and I'm gonna place it back on top of the fireplace ledge where I think it looks pretty good. So I am placing these cute little gold figurines on the fireplace ledge, and you guys, one of them fell and cracked in half. Here is a picture of the little figurines I picked up over at Amazon, and here I am trying to figure out how I can glue it back together because these are one of my favorite things. They are so cute. I think I'm going to end up ordering another set if I can't fix it. So what I ended up doing is just placing some more decorative pieces, this candle and this candle holder, along with a cloche, and actually 2 cloches and one with one of those decorative balls on the ledge with 2 of those figurines. So the other one I'll have to try to figure out how I can fix it. So I am going to continue styling the area, and I'll be back soon to talk about those curtains. I do want to mention that I am on the lookout for a piece to fit underneath this TV. This is something that we've had for a while, this little entertainment shelf that is no longer working for the space. I do need to make sure it's the right height and width. And I was also thinking about building some floating shelves to fit underneath the TV. But I also want it to be where you cannot see the cords behind it, and I can place the Wi-Fi box and the surround sound speaker, nicely back there. So that's something that I am looking to replace. So we will see what I end up finding or building, because I definitely want to get rid of this piece and have something that looks a lot better aesthetically. So that is coming soon. In my prior haul video, I did show you guys a mirror that I want to place on this wall where I put this circular piece, and that thing is so heavy, you guys, that I need to wait for my husband to be able to help me. But I wanted to point that out, that mirror is coming and it has been spray painted and ready to go. And here is the final look, and I hope you guys love it and enjoy. Also, I will be showing you what I'm doing with the curtains, in this space, and basically I added so far to the sliding door some sheer light filtering curtains, and they are too short. They are a 98 length, and the cream colored curtains are 108, which are a little bit too long for me. And I am going to be hemming the rest of the cream curtains, and now the sheer curtains are too short. So I'm going to pause here. What I'm going to do to fix the problem of the shears being too short is to place some gold curtain rings on the shears, and then the space will be perfect. So I am working on hemming the rest of the curtains in this space. I've only done the ones right here where you see on the patio door. So that is a project I am working on as well. So again, you can see how long the cream curtains are on the sliding door where I have it opened a little bit and the sheer curtains are placed. Those are hemmed, and the sheer light filtering curtains are too short. So I'll be placing again those gold curtain rings on there to bring them down a bit.
to